Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Magento with Authorize.net easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Magento with Authorize.net, begin by logging into your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the Stores section in the left sidebar. Select Configuration from the drop-down menu. In the Configuration page, locate the Sales tab. Expand the Payment Methods section. Find Authorize.net from the list of payment options. Enable the Authorize.net payment method by switching the status to Enabled. Input your Authorize.net API login ID. Enter your transaction key in the designated field. Set the sandbox mode to Yes if you are using a testing account. Set it to No if you are ready to go live. Next, define the payment action based on your desired transaction method. Choose between Authorize or Authorize and Capture. Fill in the title field to customize the payment method's display name. Select the allowed countries for transactions under Countries Allowed. Adjust the order status to match your business needs. Review the minimum order total and maximum order total settings. Consider enabling the debug mode for troubleshooting purposes. Click Save Config at the top right to apply your settings. Clear the Magento cache to ensure changes take effect. Test the integration by completing a transaction in either Sandbox or Live mode. Verify the transaction details in your Authorize.net account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.